The bar chart below compares the exam results from two pupils. Pupil A, who we can see is represented in blue, and pupil B, we can see represented in purple. We can see their results for maths, English, science, and art. What was pupil A's best result? Pupil A is shown in blue. We can see the result for maths, English, science, and art. The highest bar is for science, and we can read off that it was 17 marks. The subject was science. Who was better at science? Look at science, and the blue bar is the highest. Therefore, pupil A was best. By how much did A beat B in the maths exam? If we look at the maths exam bars, we can read off that A got 16 and B got 14. Therefore, A beat B by 2 marks.